The King Nutronics Model 3750 heavy-duty hand pump is a portable, self-contained pressure generator capable of producing and controlling calibration test pressures into pneumatic and hydraulic gauges. The hydraulic reservoir of the King Nutronics Model 3750 hand pump may be disassembled for cleaning using the following procedure. Periodically, the hydraulic reservoir will need to be cleaned to protect the materials of the device, prevent future contamination of devices under test, and to maintain cleanliness. You may clean the reservoir as needed, especially if hand pump comes in contact with fluids such as gasoline, diesel, or motor oil. For this maintenance, you will need the following materials: a large blade flathead screwdriver, a cotton swab, a clean towel, and all-purpose cleaner. To begin, you must first remove the reservoir from the hand pump by turning it counterclockwise. Remove the reservoir lid from the reservoir. This is removed by turning it counterclockwise. Empty the fluid into a suitable container or dispose in accordance with local regulations. Dry the inside of the reservoir. Using a large blade flathead screwdriver, remove the connection port retaining cap in the bottom of the reservoir. Disassemble the components of the reservoir and note the order they come apart. Mix up a cleaning solution in a small bowl. Clean all parts using a mild water-soluble detergent solution and a clean towel. Heavy dirt deposits can be scrubbed with a soft bristle brush. After cleaning with all-purpose cleaner or degreaser, it is advised that you rinse each part with distilled water. Using the cotton swab, thoroughly clean the small passageway in the bottom of the reservoir. Then dry all parts thoroughly using clean, dry, compressed air or nitrogen. Do not exceed 60 psi. Apply a thin film of silicone grease to the 3 O-ring surfaces. An O-ring kit can be purchased from King Nutronics should they need to be replaced. Now reassemble the reservoir. Start by placing the piston into the base. Make sure the O-ring on the piston seats firmly in place. Set the spring on top of the piston. Set the reservoir on top of the base. Make sure that the alignment tabs on the reservoir housing match up with the indentions on the reservoir base. Place connection port retaining cap in place. Finger tighten first. Then tighten with screwdriver until snug, approximately 1/8 to 1/4 turn. You may want to test the assembly for proper sealing by adding 2 to 3 ounces of distilled water. Any leaks will be quickly visible if O-rings are not sealing properly. After the hydraulic reservoir is reassembled, you may now reattach it to the hand pump for calibration or store it for later use. Should you have additional questions or need to order replacement parts, please call King Nutronics at 818-887-5460 or email us at support@kingnutronics.com.